Someone asked me a question. He said he did not get time to pray Raka'atain-il-Fajr before going to pray salatul-Subhi in the masjid. So now the question is, when he is done praying salatul-Subhi, is he still going to pray Raka'atain-il-Fajr after salatul-Subhi? That is the question that he asked. Now, brothers and sisters in Islam, what you have to know is that the Prophet ﷺ said that Raka'at al-Fajr or Raka'atain al-Fajr khayrun min ad-dunya wa ma fiha. That the two raka'at that we do before Salatul Subhi khayrun min ad-dunya is better than this world, wamafia, and all that it contains. That should tell you that the reward that you would get for doing these two raka'at before going to pray Salatul Subhi is very, very enormous, and not everyone will get that opportunity to do as the Prophet ﷺ has said. So to answer this question, yes, you can pray your two raka'at after you are done praying Salatul Subhi in the masjid or at home. But know that the reward that you are going to get is not going to be as of though praying the Rak'atain al-Fajr before going to pray Salatul Subhi. This is what I want you to understand. And it is of great importance to make it something that you always do. That whenever you hear the Muazzin says, As-salatu khayrun minan nawm, you need to perform ablution and then you pray your two rak'atayn al-fajr if you are at home before going to the masjid. If you are not, then you just perform your ablution, you go to the masjid, you do your rak'atayn al-fajr, and then you wait for the muazzin to say the iqama so that you can all pray salatul subhi in the congregation. Allahu al-musta'an. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.